Welcome, my dear student, in digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in a chapter number 3rd, that is rational numbers as a decimals. How we can convert a rational number into a decimal. In this series today, I am going to take your question number 1, that is express the following rational number as a decimal, and part number 10 and 11. So let's see what is the 10th part we have. Here we have 139 upon 625. So the first task, as I told you, split this denominator or do its prime factorization. As I did here, you can see. Write here 625, last digit is 5, so definitely we can divide it with 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 and 5 1 ja 5. Then downside you can see here, it become 12, so 5 2 ja 10. 2 left, it become 25, 5 5 25 and 5 5 25. In this way, in denominator you will get 5 4. So as I told you in last video too, that if you have 5, so how I can convert 5 into a 10? So we need to multiply by 2. So how many 2's are required here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times 2 is required. So what would be the answer? 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. That means 16 is the number required to convert the denominator in the form of a 10. So next, as we are writing, convert the denominator into 10 or power of 10 of power of 10. That means we need to convert it, look like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. In this way we need to convert the denominator. So what is the number required? That is the most important thing here. Number required we have calculated, 39 upon 165 is equals to 139 upon 625. What number we should multiply? That is very important. So what is required? We have calculated here, all number are 5, so we need all time 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 is required. So 4 times 2 is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, it is the 16. So 16 is the required number to convert the denominator as a base of a 10. So here it is difficult to multiply 625 because it is a long. To multiply 625 and 16, better you do here 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 and 5 2 ja 10. That means you will get 4 times 10. 10, 10, 10 and 10. So if you are checking it, so it become 1 1 ja 1 and count how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Directly 1, 2, 3, 4. So we come to know here. But in this case 139 you have to multiply by 16. This you need to multiply. 9 6 is 54, 5 6 3 is 18 and 23, 2 6 and 2 8 and with 1 it become 9 3 1 6 4 9 and 4 9 3 12 12 2. So you will get a 2 2. This would be the multiplied answer. Then after multiplying, your task is to shift the decimal. How to shift a decimal? Just count how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. If there are 4 zeros, so shift the decimal, consider it is here and then leave 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are leaving 4 digits, you will get 2,224 upon 10,000 is equals to 0.2224. So let's see what I did, my dear student. Nothing special, just write the question as such. Split the denominator in this way, factorization, and find the factor. Like 5 is with you, then find 2. So that we can make a pair of 5 and 2, it become 10. So you will get 4 times 10. So directly 1 1 ja 1 and write 4 0. Then you have to multiply 16 and 39 and you will get this answer. Next, how to convert into decimal? Shift. Count how many zeros are there. 1 2 3 4. So shift the decimal from the here to 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So decimal would be here. In this way you can represent in a decimal form. So let's take your next part. So this I am going to rub. Okay. So what is our next part? We have 11th part, that is 3186 upon 1250. Once again our task is to find out the answer. Similarly I have done its prime factorization. Last digit is 0, so I have started with 2. Then 6 to the 12. And then we have 2 to the 4 and 5 to the 10. After this is similar to upper one. So write all the possibility. First 2 and 5, then 3 times 5. So I have written all the parts. These two are already okay, 2 and 5. This 5 is required 1, 2. This 5 and this 5. These 3 required 2. So overall number required is 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8. That means 8 is the required number. Most important work is here to find out what is the number required. So here number required is 8. So once again you will fill that problem, how to multiply. Just see how many tens are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 times tens are there. Directly as I told you, just put 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0. 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. Now this multiplication is over by this method, and upper one you need to do. That is 3186 multiplied by 8. 8 6 is 48. 8 8 is 64 and 68. 8 1 is 8 and 6 14. Carry 1. 8 6 is 21, 24 and 1 25. Similar to 5. So this is your answer after multiplication. Next step is similar. As I told you, first prime factorization, after then make the pair of 2 and 5, you will get 10, 10, 10. This would be the answer. Now convert into decimal. Count first how many zeros are in denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I need to leave 4 space from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here would be the decimal. 2.5488. This is the required answer. So I hope my dear student, now it is clear to you how we can convert a rational number as a decimal. You can see first factor is do factorization. After that make the pair of 2 and 5 and multiply. Find the number. Like here 16 is required. So multiply by 16 to the both number. In the next question we need 8. So this is 8. Then after multiplying convert into decimal. Thank you.